Got a small little gathering of friends today at our friend's property where we have an annual picnic and car show. These are all the owners' cars out front here. It was raining earlier, so we didn't get a huge turnout this time, but still got a few here. This is his AAR CUDA he's been working on. 4-speed car.
Oh, no.
And his 70, what is this? 72, 73 Vet. I forget what year this is. It's at least a 72 with the front and rear bumpers. I think 73 was the last year with front chrome bumpers or rear. I forget. His 6-pack 70 Roadrunner. Very cool. Also a 4-speed car. This little Lotus. I parked this car for him. Good gosh, it's hard to get in and out of. Worse than a Viper. Neat little golf cart on steroids, or go-kart on steroids. One of his many Z's. He races these. Didn't race this particular one, but one of his many. And his brother's old Jeep Cherokee. 302 Boss, real boss car. 4-speed, of course. He's got a 428 Cobra Jet car too. I'll show you that in a minute. Another one of his little Z's he picked up. He had a package deal of I think a guy that passed away. Got like, good gosh, picked up like 7 or 8 Z's. The guy and his wife used to race as well in these. Got a seriously cool one of these around the corner. You might have heard of Scarabs. I don't even know much about them. But let's go check it out. So this fat fendered beast is a Scarab. Datsun. I'll have to ask the owner. I don't think these were any kind of factory aftermarket stuff or anything. So like a whole package V8 car and whole body kit, and things just bad to the bone looking. Big old meats in the back. Another nice 280Z. Newer Cadillac there. This is another one they picked up recently. Kind of a odd little roof treatment on there. I don't think the factory ever did that, but it's not hateful. It's kind of cool. It's a 4-speed car. Little half vinyl top deal. 69 Firebird. Kind of cool. Little Porsche over here. 924 body, I think that is. Another of our buddies. Very nice 68. Fuel injected Mopar big block. Does a lot of rally racing with this 4-speed car. Sounds really good too. Some pics when he was working on it. Whew. She had some rust, as they all do.
Well, if your parents weren't gone, I could be there and vlog for you what you look for.
Old Barracuda. V8's probably a 273, if I remember correctly for these. Automatic car. Clean. Neat first generation Barracuda. Got a Valiant, his little cousin over here. Very nice interior. A 6 on this. One of my favorites over here. '68 Shelby GT 500 KR, which I believe makes that a 428 car. 4-speed too. Nice. In lime gold. A lot of them were done in lime gold, and it wasn't a popular color for a while, but it really is again. It's one of my favorites that Ford put out. I think it's really pretty.
When you push emergency brake in, it's so light when your dash comes on, and it says brake. So, I got that too. But he said,
And just some modern stuff. Like I said, it was raining earlier. We usually have a lot more cars out here. I didn't bring mine either. It was still raining when I left the house. There's another one of his Z's. Picked that up with his batch of 7 or 8 he got. And also got that, he got that old GMC motorhome with all that. Let's go see some of his other stuff. Here's his main race car. Did some rear end body work to this recently. Took a hit on the track. Can't hardly tell now. Got the motor pulled out of it. Got his GoPro set up. Where'd this thing even get hit? Thought it was in a corner back here. None of that looks like fresh work. Maybe was it the front? Oh, maybe it was the front. Yeah, I think that area. There's another one being restored on the rotisserie. Some more Z's. Recent purchase. This nice Nova. Unfortunately, the previous owner passed away. One of my favorites is, I think this is 73 Pantera. I should know. I love Panteras. Doesn't have a full front bumper covered, so I think that's 73. I came real close to buying this car. I was trying to talk him into it when my 71 Cuda became available, and that was a super hard choice because Panteras are one of my favorites ever. They're so cool. There's his 428 Cobra Jet car he's working on, the Mach 1. You can see where the 4-speed hump is, and hasn't done much on this recently. Been working on Z cars. There's another Z. 71 Challenger he's got. Automatic car. Non-rally dash. Can't remember what this car was originally. Let me see. Let's look at the VIN. Looks like a base 318 car. It's hard to see the VIN. Yeah, 318 car. Not sure what his plans are with this. Hasn't done anything with it in the 6 or 7 years I've known him. Another Z car in the corner. And there's an old little BMW, early 70s. Another prior race car. Got a roll bar and stuff in there. Squeeze past here. Oh, here's something else just pulled in. We'll have to see what it is. There's the front of the Pantera. Let's go see what else pulled up. Ooh, it's something good. I know this car. There's only 11 of these made. And I know of 2 of them in our area. That would be 71 Hemi GTX. Look at that. White interior, 4-speed console car. Rally dash. Black vinyl top. Got another friend of mine pulling in over there. 64 Polara. I believe that's what that is. Yeah, it's crazy that only 11 of these are made, and I know both people that own 2 of the 11. So cool.
I brought a jacket, wearing a jacket. You're damn near an hour away. There's on the way on the other side of the place. Yeah, the third one. Go for it. I got you.
This is my buddy Mike's Polara. He restored himself. This car was on his rack for several years. I didn't think he'd ever get it done. Did a good job though. It's pretty sweet. Don't even ask me what that is.
Let's see if it's faster. 3 cars. Yeah.
Lots of Z cars.
Oh, if it rains. Yeah, he doesn't have any wipers. Well, mine don't work very well either, so. I'm not in a big hurry. I think it'll work. I just need to.
Another little Z car latecomer. Ignore the Amazon guy beeping away. I like these colors. It's a proper 70s look. Little Hot Wheels. It's very cool. And one other latecomer, 70 Roadrunner. Air grabber car. Automatic. Nice.
Yeah, this is the one.
Couple of late additions. A couple of Fox body Mustangs. And the 69 Z28.
That's pretty cool.
4-speed car too. Nice.